Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to share with you how to create this voluminous blowout, and for this I'll be using the Dyson Airwrap. This method is incredibly simple, so even if you struggle with blowouts, I'm sure that you can achieve it with this technique. To start, make sure your hair is wet. I'll be using this smoothing brush attachment to dry the roots of my hair. We only need to dry the roots, while the hair ends should remain wet. You can use any convenient attachment that works for you. It's also a good idea to section your hair in half to dry the lower part of the back of your head properly, because if your hair remains wet after you finish the blowout, your curls won't hold for long. Surprisingly, it took just a few minutes to dry the roots. Now I'll section my hair into 3 parts and switch to the barrel attachment. And don't forget to change the attachments for your head left and right sides. I use medium temperature and hold the styler until the strand is dry. Then I switch to the coldest temperature. Then removing a strand from the styler, I like to secure it with a hair clip in the same position. This helps to create a better shape and hold. As you can see, I'm not taking too thin strands for this kind of blowout. When you pin up your hair, the main thing is to ensure that the hair clip doesn't flatten the strand and allows it to maintain its circular shape. I'm repeating the same with the next section of my hair. Now it's time to remove all the hair clips. I'll speed up this process a bit since it's quite simple. After removing the clips, gently brush through the curls to make them look softer and more natural, but be careful not to completely ruin the curls. You can also use your preferred styling products and style your hair in a way you like. Personally, I like to wear my hair on the side. And voila, the result looks amazing, especially with good makeup. By the way, if you're interested in this makeup look, I'll be doing a video tutorial on it soon, so make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!